We're gonna do a Sprayground unboxing again. Sprayground backpack unboxing, not too big. It's supposed to be the Hills Jetgraphix. The fuck is that? Anyways. I don't know. It says come in that plastic bag over there, and this is supposed to be the Hills Jetgraphix design backpack. So we're gonna do a little unboxing, see how it looks and everything. Nothing too complicated. Anyways, so this is a backpack. You know what I'm saying? If I know how to open it, boom, or magnetic, boom, boom. This is cool. We got a little. Man, this thing is supposed to be. Anyways, so this is a backpack, a little quick unboxing of the Jetgraphix. I'm gonna try to get some shots outside so you can see it better, but this is a backpack. The Jetgraphix. Oh, pretty simple, something light, but yeah. I'm surprised it haven't sold out yet though. But yeah, it's kind of cool. Anyways, so we're outside. This is the outside of the bag, like outside in natural light, you know. Put it on. So yeah, that's the bag. Yeah, this was a quick review of the Sprayground Jetgraphix backpack. I don't know what to say, just leave your opinion in the comments about the bag. But peace out, guys.